group of Class 10 students from high school Qazipora visited the soil testing laboratory in Bandipora on November 14, 2024. The visit aimed to provide students with practical exposure to soil testing procedures, the importance of soil health in agriculture, and insights into how soil quality is maintained for optimal crop production. This experiential learning opportunity was coordinated by the escort teacher, Mr. Tawheed Parvaiz Bhat, and hosted by the head of the STL, Dr. Inam. 2. Objectives of the visit: to educate students on the significance of soil testing in agriculture, to demonstrate various soil testing techniques and procedures, to enhance students' understanding of how soil properties affect crop yield, to encourage students to appreciate the role of soil science in sustainable agriculture. 3. Overview of the soil testing laboratory. Dr. Inam, the head of the soil testing laboratory, warmly welcomed the students and began the tour by introducing the facility. The STL in Bandipora specializes in testing soil samples from various regions to determine their physical, chemical, and biological properties. The lab helps local farmers by providing them with soil health reports and recommendations for fertilizer application and crop selection. 4. Key activities during the visit. 1. Introduction to soil testing. Dr. Iniam explained the basics of soil science, including the different layers of soil, types of soil, and the importance of nutrients for plant growth. The students learned about macronutrients, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and micronutrients, essential for soil fertility. 2. Demonstration of soil sampling techniques. Students observed the process of collecting soil samples for testing. Lab technicians demonstrated the appropriate methods to collect samples from various locations and depths to ensure accuracy in test results. 3. Analysis of soil properties. Students were shown how soil pH, organic matter content, and nutrient levels are measured. Lab staff used specific instruments and explained their functions, including pH meters, spectrophotometers, and flame photometers. 4. Understanding soil health reports. Dr. Inam discussed how the soil testing lab provides customized recommendations based on soil test reports, covering aspects like fertilizer application and crop selection. The students saw sample reports and learned how the results could help farmers make informed decisions. 5. Interactive session and Q&A. The session concluded with an interactive Q&A, where students asked questions about soil health, crop rotation, and environmental factors affecting soil quality. Dr. Inam and the lab technicians addressed each query, making it an engaging and informative experience. 5. Learning outcomes. By the end of the visit, students gained a foundational understanding of soil testing and its role in agriculture, knowledge of different techniques and tools used in soil analysis, awareness of the importance of soil conservation and sustainable farming practices, insight into career opportunities within the field of soil science and agronomy. Students expressed their appreciation for the opportunity to visit the soil testing lab. They found the hands-on experience invaluable in understanding the practical aspects of science they study in classrooms. The escort teacher, Mr. Tawheed Parvaiz Bhat, commended the lab staff for their informative guidance and welcomed future collaborations for educational purposes. 7. Conclusion. The visit to the soil testing laboratory was a successful educational trip that broadened the students' knowledge of soil science and its applications in real-world agriculture. High School Qazipora thanks Dr. Inam and the STL team for their support and dedication to fostering agricultural awareness among young students. Submitted by Mr. Tawheed